Oh, okay, today let's look at how we can set up our HTML and CSS on Trep Edit. So the first thing to do is to click on Trep Edit, the app. Click on the app, Trep Edit. Now, after you have clicked it, you will have this page. Now, click on this menu. Click on the menu. Now, you will see Learn to Code, Get Source Code, Workspace, Text Editor. Click on Workspace. Click on Workspace. Okay. So having clicked on workspace, then the next thing for you, you see this plus sign. Then click on the plus sign. Click on the plus sign. Now go to new projects. Go to new projects. Then you see project file. Now give your project a name. In this file, that is where you will have your CSS and HTML, so that if you want to upload, you upload this file. So now let's give it a name. I'll give it demo because I'm just using it for demonstration. It's not a real file. So let me say my demo, my demo, my demo. Okay, let me save it. Now, having saved this, then I will click on it. You can see it's saved already, my demo. I will click on that demo, my demo. Click on my demo now. Okay. Now, click on the plus sign again. Click on you now see new file. Click on new file. Click on new file. Now, this is where you put your HTML, but you start with index. Index. Index dots. Now look at it. There must not be a space. There must not be a space between the X and the dot. Okay, let me click on dots. You can see index. If I erase this now, let me delete this. Okay, there is no space. I just did that to be assured that there is no space between the X and dot. There must not be space between the X and dots. So put your dots now. Since you have confirmed that, then now write HTML. HTML. Now save. We have saved that. HTML is now in the folder called demo, but we still need CSS. Click on this plus sign again to create the CSS. Click on new file again. Now put your style. You must also ensure that there is no space. Take it back so that there is no space. Can you see it now? So that you put your dots, style dots. Now CSS. Now you can save now. You can save. So I have inside this demo, I have index.html, I have style CSS. So now click on index.html. Okay. Now you have it here. You can have it here now. Index. You can see this is your index.html. Now, then the boilerplate. How do you get your boilerplates? You know, when we're using a desktop, we just click on what? We click on shift plus one, it will give you the boilerplate. But here, what you just have to do, look for let me see if it's here. Okay, snippets. Look for HTML snippets below. You see, you can see it here. Click on it. You see, I clicked on HTML snippets below. Then I click on it. It gives me the boilerplate. Now, since I have the boilerplate, you can see this is the opening body tag and the close body tag. This is where we are going to type whatever we want to show on our website. Let me type now. Don't forget, I've told you how to use H. I said H is for heading, and it's going to be, if you type anything there, it's going to be bolding, like H1. Then you have H2, you have H3. So now, before